Welcome to Notre Dame Day 2026. At Notre Dame Law School, the goal is to form a different kind of lawyer, one committed to justice, service, and the common good. The Exoneration Justice Clinic brings that mission to life by investigating wrongful convictions and helping to overturn them. Joining us now to share more about that work and her firsthand experience is JD candidate Madeline Ward. Welcome, Madeline, to Notre Dame Day.
Thank you.
Thanks so much for being with us. First of all, what drew you as a law student to be part of the Exoneration Clinic itself?
Yeah, so I had actually first heard about the Exoneration Clinic when I was an undergrad here, and I actually interned for the Exoneration Clinic as an undergrad during my senior year. And so I think having that access to like real world legal experience as an undergrad was really important to me. And then also coming back to law school, I knew that I wanted like firsthand experience of what it means to like truly work for justice in the world.
And we understand what the purpose of the Exoneration Clinic, but what does your role really look like? Can you paint a picture for us?
Yeah, for sure. So all of the student interns, we are on intake cases and active cases. Okay. And so our intake cases are, we're investigating applications that people send us. So people reach out to us to help them with their case, and then that application is then assigned to a student team. And so my team does a lot of investigating, reading, trying to parse out what happened in a particular case, and then we'll make a recommendation to the staff attorneys at the clinic. And then on our active cases, those are cases that we're going out and interviewing witnesses or even appearing in court on behalf of our clients, doing the real litigation work that it takes to overturn these cases.
In real time, I mean, real cases,
yes.
in real time. What have you learned about the legal system, or maybe what surprised you that you've learned recently?
Yeah, I think I knew coming in that the legal system is full of injustice, and that people are not treated well or treated with like dignity and respect that they deserve as people. And I think this has really in a lot of ways completed that picture for me. There's always more to learn, but meeting our clients, but then also understanding that no matter what someone has done, even if they have done even if someone who's in prison has done what they're in prison for, they don't deserve that treatment either. They're still a person, and they still deserve quality legal representation and deserve someone who cares about them and is looking out for them. And so I'm just really grateful that I get to, be a part of my clients' cases and learn from them and fight for them.
And a real world view of that dignity of every human life, right? What is that piece that makes this work or this education for you at Notre Dame different than how you could be doing this somewhere else? Yeah,
I think being at Notre Dame, I was raised Catholic, and I am a practicing Catholic still, and I think whenever I think about what it means to be a different kind of lawyer, I think about how everything that I believe really is rooted in that faith and in Catholic social teaching, and in the teachings of the church, and in the inviolable human dignity that everyone has and the right to life that everyone has, and by keeping people in prison and the treatment that people receive there by prosecutors who are ignoring evidence or suppressing evidence actively, police officers who are committing acts of misconduct, all of those things violate people's human dignity. And here at Notre Dame, I can come to a fuller understanding of why it is that I do what I do and I believe what I believe.
And how is this experience in particular then shaping the kind of lawyer you want to go out and be in the world?
Yeah, so I came into law school knowing that I wanted to do public interest work, which really just means that I wanted to not work at a law firm, and I want to work at nonprofits, and I've known that for a long time. And I think being a different kind of lawyer means that you're allowed to have those goals and allowed to be I want to change the world, and I want to not only work for justice on the cases that I'm assigned to, but then also think about how those cases can affect the greater world, greater things and be an activist and be someone who works for justice more broadly. And I think, yeah, being a different kind of lawyer means that you're fighting for what's right in everything that you do.
I'm so grateful to hear about your experience. Thank you, and best of luck with the rest of your time here and your career in the future.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate your
Thanks
time.
for having me.
Absolutely.